Dell EMC offers the option to enable additional features for your iDRAC 9 by purchasing an enterprise license. The features enabled by the enterprise license include Virtual Console, Virtual Media, and out-of-band performance monitoring, to name just a few. For testing purposes, we grant you a 30-day trial license for iDRAC Enterprise to check these features by yourself. You can find the download links for the license file in the video description below and in our knowledge base article SLN 309292. To import the license on iDRAC, download the license file to your system, extract the zip file and upload it through the iDRAC web interface. Log in and navigate to the Configuration tab if you are using iDRAC 9, if not, skip this step. Then go to Licenses and select Import from the drop-down menu under License Options. Wait until the process is finished and log out of the web interface. Log in again and check if the upgrade was successful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell and leave a like if this video was helpful. For more tips and tricks, check out the other tutorials on our channel. If you have any questions, contact our support staff via Twitter or the Dell community forums.